We can probably turn downwind now. What do you reckon? Wow, sort of such a soft landing. Turning to starboard. Copy. Okay, so maintain straight line. I'm on the starboard side. Okay guys, this is a bit of a test video today. I'm here with my mate Scotty and George behind the camera. We've got an idea. We have a plan or a goal in mind for later this summer. We want to get some cool shots. And the idea is to get those shots running offshore in big waves at speed. And the subject that we want to film is going to be moving fast. So we're like, oh crap, we need to catch the drone at speed and then change batteries and relaunch. So I don't know if it's going to be possible, but Scotty's confident. Scotty's going to give me a hand.
I feel like it's going to go well. Might give you a couple of hands.
Exactly. Keep your fingers. And so we're like, we need a really good hull for this. We need something that's going to be able to plough through big waves and not throw too much water up over the bow to get the drone wet. So I got in touch with the guys at Short Marine, and we are on a Grady White today. Basically, we've just done a little bit of a run through the sea or through the open water, and this thing is solid. If we get an opportunity, we're going to film a test drive separate to this video for you guys to see the performance, because yeah, it's the first time driving a Grady White for me, and I'm so far quite impressed with the hull. So anyway, yeah, see what happens. I hope I don't lose the drone.
We're not going to lose the drone. It's going to go perfectly.
I hope so. All right, stay tuned. And get ready to catch. Okay, go for the catch. Okay, so maintain straight line. I'm on the starboard side. I'm getting into position. Yep. Okay, oh, lost it. Okay, thank you. I'm coming in. Oh yeah, look at these waves. Okay, coming in. I've got the drone. Okay, get ready to catch. Okay, coming down. Hey! Woo! Man. Nice. Okay, fellas, that was a lot of fun. I have an extreme amount of confidence in the Grady White hull now for what we want to achieve this summer. I'm not telling you what it is just yet. You just got to keep watching the channel. I'm hoping we're going to pull it off, and I'm hoping it's going to be something really cool and fun. We needed a solid, stable, dry hull that will go fast in the ocean. We've found it. I'm really, really confident in this hull now. And so I look forward to testing a few more of these Gradys over the summer. We have filmed a little bit of a test drive video. It's not the usual format. The weather's a little bit changeable today. I'll leave a link to that video down in the description. I might pop it up on the screen as well now. Yeah, thanks very much. Keep watching. This could be a fun summer.